Okay. Everyone say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Or hi, Dad. I don't know.
I don't have it.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if it is like 12
Directions. Here we go. Ready? Convert each angle to a decimal in degrees. So your final answer all has to be in degrees. And we just crossed this out because that was double the directions. Letter A, or let's call this letter A. Okay. Letter A. Convert 40 degrees, and then there's a 12 one take mark, and then there's a 5 two take marks. Up to now, the one take mark represents what? One is the inches and one is the foot. Which one's a foot?
I think the second one.
The 12, right? And the 5 is your? Okay, no longer. That will be representing inches or foot. Okay, so the 12 one take mark class is now called minutes. So that's read 12 minutes. Okay. And then the 5 two take marks are now read 5 seconds. Okay. Now raise your hand if you know when or where is this measurement used. Cyrus? Time. Not in time.
On maps.
On maps. Yeah. If you ask Cyrus where you are, it will prompt this longitude and latitude. Okay? So, it will tell you Huntington Beach is this on the map. Okay? So that's why. So, or some of us will be pilots someday, and you need to know how to read these kind of directional. Or a captain of a boat. Okay? Who knows?
Wait, so it's like a coordinate.
Yes, it is.
It is.
Okay? All right. Letter A. All of the answer must be in what? Degrees. So I'm going to write my answers over here. Degrees. Okay. So this is reading coordinates. Okay. Degrees. First, do we already have 40 in degrees? Yeah, so I don't have to convert that. Well, I have to convert my 12 minutes into degrees. So you kind of need some conversion. 1 degree class is now 60. One tick mark, and that represents what? 60 minutes. 1 minute is normal. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Okay. So this is our conversion. So if 40, it's already in degrees, I'm going to keep 40 as in degrees. But I do need to convert 12 minutes into degree. Is 12 minutes less than 1 degree or more than 1 degree? Less. So how do I convert 12 minutes into degrees, class? What do I need to do? Divide or multiply what? Yeah, could I? 1 degree is 60 minutes, right? Why am I putting the 60 minutes on the bottom? So it needs to cancel. So that's how we convert the minutes into degrees. What else do I need to convert? The seconds. So to convert seconds, I first have to convert 5 seconds into what? Minutes. So 1 minute is how many seconds? And now I'm in seconds. Now I'm in minutes. So now I need to go some more to degrees. What else do I need to go? Yep, multiply 1 degree to 60. Okay, using your calculator, can you please punch in? Okay, Annalise, punch in 12 times 1 over 60 and give me all of it in all of the decimal places. And then Alex, can you punch in the 5 times 1 over 60th and then times 1 over 60th? So don't round until the very, very, very end. Okay. So punch it in, make sure we have the correct answer. So whenever you're ready, give me all the decimals. Yep.
I got 0.2000.
0.200. So just 0.2 is okay, right?
Okay.
And then Alex, whenever you're ready, give me all the decimals. Don't round, okay? You're punching this in, dear. Yeah. So add. And then the rest of us, just work it out and then write your answer in that box where it says degrees. Class, is that the same thing as 5 divided by 3600? Yeah, okay, sure, do that too. Okay, so Alex, what is it, dear? What was slowly? 0.0013. Well, give me all the decimals because we can't round to the very end. I got 8. How many 8s are there? 5? Okay, so 1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8, and then what else? 9. Okay. So when I add it up, Michaela, what do we get? 40.2139, like that?
Yeah, that's 4 decimals.
Yeah. Is that right, guys? Someone confirm?
40.20.
That's not right? Okay, so 40.20.
plugged in the whole thing.
14, like that?
Yeah.
Okay, and then that's in degrees, right, class?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. 40.2014 in degrees. There's a double zero with Alex's answer. Good. All right, let's call this B, just for the sake of numbering. Convert 78.562 degrees to the DMS. What on earth is DMS? Days, minutes, second. No, not quite days. D is degrees, M is minutes, and S is seconds. So I'm going to put my answers right here. I know I'm going to have something in degrees, something in minutes, and something in seconds. So right now, do I have to convert anything in degrees? Do I have a whole degree already to write down? Yes. What's my whole degree? 78. Okay. So that's already in degrees. You don't have to convert that. I do have this though, 0.562 of a degree. Can you see that? How would I convert this into minutes? Cyrus? Multiply it by? Jays agree? Because it's 1 degree, it's how many minutes? 60, so right, okay. All right, Cyrus, punch it in. Let me know all of the decimals. Question.
33.6.
33.6. Class, what kind of unit of measurement is this 33.6? Minutes, right? So currently that's in minutes. So do we have an answer for my minute line? That's right, 33 minutes. So we got that going. What else do I have left to use? Oh, this is not 33.6? Oh, erase. I lie. Okay. What is it? 33.72 minutes. Thank you. Cyrus, did your calculator give you 33.6?
0.56 times 60.
Okay, so that's right. Okay. So you miss a digit. Okay. All right. No, we can't round right now. Okay. Yes. I haven't done seconds yet. Right, guys? Oh, you mean over here? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, yeah, right here. Thank you. Thanks, Samantha. Okay. Sorry, this is in 1 tick mark, which is minutes. Thank you. Okay, so that's 0.562 times 61 tick mark. My bad. I had originally 2 tick marks. Okay, so now we have 33 whole minutes. What's left? Yeah, this thing right here. Oh, I meant to highlight this right here. Okay, this is 0.72 of a minute. Guys, I need to convert that all to what? Seconds. What do I multiply? 60 again, right? So 60 over 1, and this is minutes over seconds, like that.
Why are we multiplying by 60 instead of 1 over 60?
Oh, good question. Why are we multiplying by 60 over 1 and not 1 over 60? Yeah, we are. And plus, see this right here? This mark right here is 1 tick mark, and that 1 tick mark has to be in the bottom for it to cancel one another out. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right, punch it all in. Let me know what the whole answer is. Samantha? 43.2, and this is on seconds, right, guys? And the answer says, give me the last answer in the nearest second. So what did we write in our last line? 43. Perfect. All right, table conversion. Memorize with 1 M. I just want you to really memorize it. Okay. So, degrees, 2 radians. Are we ready? 0 degrees. is what in radians?
1 radian.
0 radians. Okay. 30 degrees is what in radians? 5 or 6. 45 degrees, it's what in radians? 5 or 4. Oh, I can't stand. 60 degrees is what in radians? 5 or 3. 90 degrees is what in radians? 5 or 2. And this ends what quadrant? The first one. And it's really the most important one, okay? Everything else is multiple of these. Okay. Then the next one, 120 degrees. Take 120 degrees, class, and divide one of those angles that we in the yellow. Which one? 60. How many times? 2 times perfectly, right? So what's your radians? 2 pi over 3. That's how we find radians. Okay. The next one's 135. 135 divides 45 perfectly how many times? 3 times. So what's your radians? 3 pi over 4. Okay. The next one is 150. Divide which angle perfectly? 30. How many times? 5. So this is 5 pi over 6. The next one is exactly 180. And we know by now 180 is how many pi? Just a pi. Next one's 210, right, y'all? 210 divides what perfectly? 30? How many times? 7. Great. So what's this one? 7 pi over 6. Okay. Next one is 225. 225 divides by 45 perfectly how many times? 5. So this would be 5 pi over 4. The next one is 240. Which angle should we use to divide into 240? 60. How many times? 4. So radians would be 4 pi over 3. Next one is perfectly 270. Divides which angle? 90 perfectly how many times? 3. So this is 3 pi over 2. Next one is what? 300. Divide which angle? 30. How many times? 10. Well, 10 over 6. Can I reduce that? Yes. So what's that? 5 pi over 3. So in theory, can I divide by 60? Yeah. Next one is 3 what? 15. Divide 45 perfectly. How many times? 7. So this is 7 pi over 4. Next one is 330. Divide which one? 30? Perfectly how many times? 11. So this is 11 over 11 pi over 6. And last one, we're back at 360. We just went a full revolution. All right, this concludes our notes of the day. Thank you, awesome kids.